How's it going, guys? Welcome back to ConstantlyVariedFitness, and in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys a really quick tip for the front rack position. Now, if you are lacking front rack mobility and it's very hard for you to get that bar in the front rack position, make sure you click the video up above, and I will take you guys to the video of me going over front rack stretches. But for the purpose of this video, once you have that mobility and you're feeling pretty good, like you can hold a bar there pretty confidently, this tip is for you. So, what I see a lot of people do, especially new people new to CrossFit, is when they have that bar in the front rack position, they tend to let their shoulders relax and let that bar sit all across the front of their body, and let that bar sit on their collarbone, which obviously is not only uncomfortable, but what's going to tend to happen is whether you're doing a front rack lunge, doing thrusters, anything like that, but you're going down, you'll tend to have a soft upper back, so your rear delts are relaxed, your traps are relaxed as well, and what's going to happen is that bar's going to pull you forward. So what needs to happen is when you're here, you want to shrug up into the bar and create a shelf for that bar. So not only now do you have space where the bar is not going to come in contact with your collarbone, now you have a tight upper body, so when you go to do a squat or anything of the such, that bar is going to sit on you much tighter, and it's not going to have the desire to roll off of you or bring you and pull you forward. So every single time, no matter what you're doing, if the bar's in the front rack, create that shelf, create that tension going up into the bar. So like what I like to tell people is shrug up into the bar, so that way that you're creating that tension, and that bar is not going to want to shove you down towards your toes and pull you forward. So if you don't already do that, make sure you do that next time you have any type of workout or strength portion, something in the front rack position, and let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for plenty more, and we'll see you guys next time.